Okay, so here the question is a equal to 2 1 3 minus 3 2 2 1 minus 3 4 3 3 and b equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 2 3. So we need to find the 2a and 3b. So first you are writing a find 2a and 3b. So first getting a 2a, that is nothing but a 2 into 1 minus 3 2 2 1 minus 3 4 3 3 multiplied by each element by 2, that is multiplied by each element by 2. So we get our 2 into 1, that is nothing but we get 2 minus 6 4 4 2 minus 6 8 6 6. And next 3b, that is nothing but a 3 into b 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 2 3 multiplied by each element by 3, multiplied by each element by 3. So we get that 3 into 2, that is 6 minus 6 minus 12 minus 3 9 12 3 6 9. Next we do that next we do that 2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b, that is 2a plus 3b. So we get that 2 minus 6 4 4 2 minus 6 8 6 6 and b nothing but 6 minus 6 minus 12 minus 3 9 12 3 6 9. And we do that, add the corresponding elements. For addition and subtraction, add for addition add corresponding elements, so that is nothing but 2 plus 6 minus 6 minus 6 4 minus 12 4 minus 3 2 plus 9 minus 6 plus 12 8 plus 3 6 plus 6 6 plus 9. So that is nothing but 8 minus 12 minus 8 1 11 6 11 12 12 15. This is nothing but 2a plus 3b. So just we recall that problem. So given the A matrix and B matrix, we need to find 2a. 2a is nothing but 2 into a, that is nothing but each element is multiplied by 2, that is nothing but here 2a is nothing but 2 into a, that is 2a nothing but 2 into a, and similarly 3b is nothing but 3 into b. So we multiplied by each element by 2 and multiplied by each element by 3. And next we do that 2a plus 3b, that is nothing but add the corresponding elements. So nothing but first element, okay. So this is, finally we get that answer. And next one is okay, for getting that a is equal to a is equal to 201 213 1 minus 10. Find a square. So therefore a square is nothing but a into a. So there it can be written as a into a, that is nothing but 201 213 1 minus 10. Next 201 213 1 minus 10. We do that R1 C1 R1 C2 R1 C3 R2 C1 R2 C2 R2 C3 R3 C1 R3 C2 R3 C3. So if we take that, we get that 201 into 221, just I am expanding 1 201 into 01 minus 1 201 into 130. For example, okay, we get that 2 plus 2 4 plus 0 plus 1 0 plus 0 minus 1 2 plus 0 plus 0. So like that form we get that 4 plus 0 plus 1 0 plus 0 minus 1 2 plus 0 plus 0 4 plus 2 plus 3 0 plus 3 1 minus 3 1 minus 3 is nothing but minus 2. Okay, 0 plus 1 minus 3 and 2 plus 3 plus 0 1 minus 2 plus 0 0 minus 1 minus 0 1 minus 3 plus 0. So we get that 5 minus 1 2 9 minus 2 5 minus 1 1 into 2 1 into 2 2 minus 2, this is nothing but 2, this is nothing but 0 and this is nothing but minus 2, and here we are writing as 0 plus 1 minus 3. Okay, we get this one. So this is nothing but first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. We take one example: 201, 221, 201, 01 minus 1, 201, 130. If we do that, 2 into 2, 4, 0 plus 2, 0, 1 plus 1, 1. Like that. We simplify that each value and we get this answer. And next one is if A equal to A equal to 2135, find A square plus 2A plus 3A. So first we need to find that A square, nothing but A into A. 2135, 2135. So this is nothing but, so take detail right there. First row, that is, this is nothing but R1C1, R1C2, R2C1, R2C2, 2123, 2115. Similarly 3523 and 3515. So therefore it is nothing but 4 plus 3, 2 plus 5, 6 plus 15, 3 plus 25. So we get that 7, 7, 22, 15 ఒక 6, 21, 21 and 25, and we get that 25, that is 28. And we get next, we get that 2 into A, that is nothing but 2 into A, nothing but 2 into A, 2 into 2135, nothing but 2 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 3, 2 into 5, that is nothing but 4, 2, 6, 10, 21, 28. And next we written as 3i. 3i nothing but 3 into I, that is nothing but 3 into identity matrix 1001, nothing but 3 into 1, 3 into 0, 3 into 0, 3 into 1. So we get that 3, 0, 0, 3. Okay, and we get that we written as A square plus 2A plus 3A. We written as A square value. What is that A square? 7, 7, 21, 28. This is nothing but a square plus 2a. What is the 2a value? The 2a nothing but 4 to 610 plus 3i nothing but 3003. For addition, add the corresponding elements. So that is nothing but 7 plus 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2 plus 0, 21 plus 6 plus 0, 28 plus 10 plus 3. That is 7 plus 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2 plus 0, 21 plus 6 plus 0, 28, 10 plus 3. Okay. So this is nothing but 14, 9 and 27 and it's nothing but 31, 41. This is the answer. So what we do that, just we recall that problem. So given that A matrix, we need to find that A square plus 2A plus 3I. First we do that A square. A square is nothing but A into A. So written as A into A. What is the procedure? R1 C1, R1 C2, R2 C1, R2 C2. Like that we simplify that each one. We get this A square matrix. Next 2A. 2A is nothing but 2 into A. So that is each element is multiplied by 2. 3I, nothing but 3 into I. Each element of I is multiplied by 3 and we get that A square plus 2A plus 3I, and this value is nothing but for addition. We do the corresponding elements, add the corresponding elements. That is nothing but 7 plus 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2 plus 0, 21 plus 6 plus 0, 28 plus 10 plus 3. Finally we get that 14, 9, 27, 41.